Hey everyone, this is my 2015 Lexus GS350 rear-wheel drive. We are out here in sunny California, but you can see the windshield wipers sit higher than usual, and these are not broken. These are in what's called the winter mode. You can see by the cleaning line on the windshield here once I step away from the shadow. And the reason for this is because Lexus intended you to be able to lift up your windshield wiper arm so that you can service the wipers or prop them up like this in case you live in a snowy area. Now the way to revert them back is to grab onto the arm, lift slightly up, and pull down until you hear the click. Hope this helps. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Good luck.